Hello everyone, Dr. Blade from Bayou Golf. It's a beautiful day out here in the Gulf. It's 71 to 73 degrees, but we're dealing with typical Gulf Coast wind in this time of the year. We're getting wind gusts anywhere from 15 to 34 miles per hour, which will wreak havoc on your golf game. There's a couple of things you need to do differently when you're playing on windy, gusty days. Most people struggle on windy days, and some players will not even go out on windy days. Well, let me give you a few tips that's going to allow you to enjoy this beautiful game even on windy days. You first have to tell yourself that your club selection is going to be different. Right here is 144 yards. That's normally a 9-iron for me, but I'm taking a 7-iron today. So that's the first thing I'm doing, is clubbing up for the 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. You need to look at the trees and see how they're blowing. The flag may be standing still, but you gotta look at the trees around you to see if you have wind coming through the tunnels. That's what catches most people. It'll lift the ball up in the air. A few things will wreck your golf swing on windy days. Trying to overpower the ball, which balloons the ball in the air, and it allows the wind to take your ball and do what it want to do with it, okay? The second thing is not changing your mentality. What I want you to do is make some adjustment on windy days. I want you to bring that ball back in your stance. I still want you to pivot your weight, and I want you to maintain closed shoulders. Those are the core fundamentals. But I want you to take the extra club, and I want you to do a 3/4 swing, and I want your follow through to be controlled. I want you to feel as though you're reaching out to your target and grabbing it with your rear hand. A controlled knockdown or a controlled stinger. This is what I want you to do. So again, bring the ball back in your stance, take a controlled swing, and worry about contact. Your main goal is making solid contact on windy days. You're striving to hit the ball in the center of the club face, on the sweet spot, because once you do that, you get that ball spinning backwards. And when that ball is spinning like that, the dimple pattern of the ball works for us. So add these key core fundamentals to your golf game on windy days, and I guarantee you, you'll outplay your partners. I'm going to take you up here and show you this ball. I kept it under the wind. I hope you saw my finish, my follow through. That was extremely important. That's part of playing in the wind. Let's go up here. The wind is so heavy it's blowing the camera around. The flags are all over the place. But it's a fun day. These are fun days to be on the golf course. If you adhere and just add a few core fundamental adjustments. Okay, let's go over here. Take you right over to the ball. Nice shot into the wind. You can see the flag. There's the ball. There's the flag standing right up and down. So again, add these core fundamental principles to your windy days. Bring that ball back in your stance. Concentrate on center contact. Do 3/4 swings with extra club and control your follow through. I want you to feel that you're reaching out to your target. And I want you to finish that controlled backswing. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me your comments. Also, give me comments on how do you make adjustments in the wind. I'm interested to know how you play golf in the wind. Take care, keep them in the fairway, and if you don't, keep grinding. When it get windy, keep grinding even more. Peace.